Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it from the mobile app. Now if you want to do it through the computer or via online through your phone, just go to this like email. This is your portal login here, and then hit the portal login button to take you to where you need to go, right? But if you want to do it through the app, you want to go to the second email that says mobile app. And then here you want to click which type of product do you have. If you have an Android, click on this button. If you have an iPhone, click here. So I have an iPhone. I would click here. I actually already have this mobile app downloaded, but this is what it looks like. It's called Credit Tracker when you search it Android device, but it has this purple and white shield logo. Click open, and then it's going to take you to this. It's going to take you to this screen, and it's going to show Crown Credit at the top. And so it's asking for the email address and password, and you can see it from the first email that we did here, what the logins are. So just type those in. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to see when you log in is going to be the client agreement. You can sign it at the bottom. Check, sign agreement. All right, now you're going to get right to the required steps. Now here is super simple. All you have to do, click this upload button. Choose whether you want to take the picture. So if you have it with you, if you have your driver's license with you, you can choose to just hit the camera, allow it, take the picture, use photo, and it's going to upload it right away. Just like that. This says uploading doc. Then you do it for the next thing. Screenshotted it. If you have an online thing, you screenshotted it. Let's use, say something like that. And then your social. You had it, took the picture, use photo. That's it. Now, if you don't have credit monitoring already, you're going to have to click this button, order report, and it's going to take you directly to My Free Score Now's website to sign up for your credit report. Just go through this sign up process and then go right back to the app and type in your logins. So when you hit that login button, it's going to take you to this page. This is where you put in your credit monitoring login. So you choose who it's through. So if it's through My Free Score Now, you hit OK, and then you type in your username. It's going to be an email with myfreescorenow.com and password, whatever your password that you had was. And then you hit save changes. When you go back to your required steps by going to this 3 bar at the top, required steps, now you see that you've done them all. Okay, so here you just want to make sure that you put in your social right here in this box, your date of birth, and your current address, right? And then hit save. So you want to make sure you have that personal information tabs filled out also, and then you're good to go. From there, it's still going to show your scores as being 0000. Don't worry about that. When our customer service team connects it to the back end, then you'll be able to see your scores here. So don't worry about it being wrong just yet. And once you see the greens all the way down here, then you're good to go. And then just make sure you go to the account tab, profile, and login details, and make sure you type in your personal information here. And that's it. That's all that you need.